All right, so today will be a super quick one because we're going to take a look at the Fulaim X36 microphone arm. Full disclosure, they did send this to me for free, but as always, that doesn't sway my review in any way. So let's get into it. All right, it's super compact. It has a 3/8 and a 5/8 thread. It's made of durable aircraft grade aluminum alloy. You've got the desk clamp with the rubber on the bottom to keep it in place, but to help it not damage your desk as well. The joints are incredibly tight and sturdy, and it can hold up to 3.3 pounds. Now, because the joints are really tight and sturdy, it is a bit difficult to adjust, so know that going in, but honestly, that helps it be incredibly sturdy and hold a decent amount of weight and stay in position exactly where you put it. The base can also rotate 360 degrees, which is pretty awesome. And lastly, it's only $90, which really isn't that bad, and I think you can also find it on sale on Amazon. This arm would be perfect for anyone looking for a travel rig because it is so compact. So voice actors who need to travel and still record, this arm would be a phenomenal option for you. Oh, and you can also use this to mount a camera with the proper adapter. All right, and that's pretty much it. It's a solid arm at an affordable price point. Link in the description of the video, and more importantly, you know what they say.